All right. Yeah, good day. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Okay. On today's prize action, on today's prize action, we are checking Bitcoin's previous price reaction and trying to make sense out of it and determine using basic understanding of certain things that I have learned. Share can help at the end to create a a, a model, a strategy. Wow. So I have to back test this. So for that reason, drawings. Okay. I don't want to take off all because of let me just take off all to make things easy. Price action for the last or the next 30 days during the election period and to see what we can take note of from that. The election was 3rd of um, November to Monday. So around 45 to and we're going to be noting down roughly what happened in price on this chart. So first things first, we can see that overall we had this bullish month. So, but what I'm looking to do, sorry, let me check this date. Okay, so um, I'm going to divide this into weekly frames so that at least I can zero in my focus a bit. Um, okay, are we saying that towards the end of every week, price is trying to nuke a bit? That's something that should be noted down. Um, 15, let's see, 14. Okay, 21st. Okay, so now one of the things I'm noting is that okay, I think the month started here, so we had this little drop. So, but from this point, we'll be having price action this manner. One, two, uh, three, four. Okay, so we had five straight pulls to the upside, and this. Oh, oh, oh. I have to end it here. I don't want to go back. And now, basically, where my bone of interest is why the price have to fall back into here, because you really can't be chasing all of this price movements. I don't know. I aim to just be able to see things that would most likely happen, other than just chasing clouds and trying to, you know, ride every trend. The trend is your friend, yes, but you don't have to ride every trend. So now I can see this shotgun here, and I'm taking that to be something I want to be interested in, uh, to see if we can connote why price came back to that point. And first things first is I've been saying that okay, most times one of these things or inefficient areas that breaks above a high is most likely where price comes back to check on. So, but now we can see one leg, two leg up, three leg. So we can pick this three leg as a um, an indicator, not like an indicator on the chart, but like an indicator that okay, in price action in the month, we should expect price to maybe drop down at some point later on into one of the inefficient areas that was created around that time. This is something I'm just taking note of because I've seen it here, and I saw it in another thesis I performed in for the month of November 2023. And if we have the time, I'll do well to like go over that so that we can see. But I think I should add one more and take off this. Okay, so 2 hour time frame, what can we see? Still can't see any clear reaction there. Let's go down to the 1 hour. All right, on the 1 hour, you can see this bearish candle. Take note of this. Now, I'm trying to like create a thesis for price reaction or price action and translate that into expect also this month of November being also the period or time of the next or the current US election. So now, um, trying to note this. Okay, we can see this weak point, this move to the upside. I'm still going to go into much lower time frame. Because one thing I'm sure of is uh, there is a reason why price reacts to certain places that it reacts to. Okay, so now, yeah, this is that point for the other block we noted down, I think, on the 1 hour time frame. So, but here is something to note. I don't know, but we can see that took out this low and date where price action should take place. Make me go higher. No, no, what is this car? No. Okay. So, um, all right. So, literally, what I'm picking is that at this point, we kind of had to take out from this point, and let's delve into much lesser time frame to see more. Because for me, I'm just trying to like make sense of why price did what it did, and take note of some of the things, like I said, that I do currently understand with, about 5 years of experience in this whole um, industry. Count and all of that. So, okay, um, you can see this Caesar type of then, and most likely if we fall down to even the 1 minute time frame, let's see. So um, well, one thing is also I would note down this I'll note down this um, price behavior that's like choppy as something that validates that criteria. Then also we would now be scaling this down to this point. So, but this is all vibes and inshallah until it is being put to multiple tests or multiple practice. And now you can see that now this is happening on the 16th of November and this is 26th. That's like a 10-day interval. Not bad sight such a move. Okay. Um I might just want to drop it down below this low and keep my risk at like 2% now. Okay. So back to it. So I'm looking at where will be the high point for this. I would want to um 2% to 19%. I don't know why it's not. This is just me trying to figure out previous quite early into the month of November. So very well I will be on the outlook to see price action. We are pumped. Um, we are aiming at breaking above the previous all-time high. Um, I think that's something that also happened period. That was when that high um, got taken out. So um, should we expect? But let's see and confirm this. Um, I spoke about something else I was able to find in another month of November, and I've not yet performed this price action. And I think that was 2023. Um, Okay. So let me see. Okay. Yeah. So we are going to try to see a replica of that we made or we saw in the last um, display. Surprise is still in an upward direction. Let's cut the weekly 14. Okay. Couple more times. Right. So one, two, three, 4, 5. So one, two, check it. Uh, 4, 5. Hi, B boss. Ayana. One of the struggles of running a live in a Nigerian neighborhood. So we could also note this leg of movement. This is leg one, two, three, 4, and 5. And we can see that also here on the third leg, we had price reacting. So I had to even go stress myself um, when I was figuring this out to see which was high because this was confusing me to be able to validate this 980 and the high point here is the 7972. So this is point. So we can see that price is coming back to this um, other block. So in this manner, a take out on this point that's supposed to be, you know, the lower point before. So now I think I have to let's check on 2 hours. Like make sense other block. This is where price came into. Um, but let's validate price action better. Okay, this other block here stands as a point of interest. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this too also did fine. This block too would have served for me. I'm just saying, scrolling down to like much lower time frames. Okay, the previous chart to see um or this whole overall from this whole current back test or get a model of trading that works. So now we're going to take note of literally all of these things. I basically don't want to spend much time um, anymore. It was replicated and I think price also did so well. This is basically that thesis that we previously extracted on the third leg of price move in a month should at least bring us to where we expect price action furthermore towards that month. Daily time frame. We did this shit on the 4 hour. Hmm. Now the target would be for price to break just above this high. Oops. is delicate us another hang of understanding on why price acts the way it acts. So now, um, for this month of November in 2024, um, today being the day of the election, we're not to literally expect much persons to involve in trading. So let's just be observant of price action, and for me, I'll be taking a full scope look at the month of November itself to see how price plays out and note down what we can. So let's see what this month of November is going to unfold. Do we expect price to um, keep us up and break above the previous high, or do we expect price to keep dumping? For me, I expect to see price move high. Expect to see price move high and break above the previous, more sense of them on the upcoming live backtest series. So thank you very much for staying. It's Divine Crypto, your